So these are some, the small things that, the self-paced training format and learning environment. So if for example, I'm working with this MATLAB fundamental on-time course. So these are some, the environment, or we can see this, the window. You will get some task, small tasks from it. So you have to complete it. Like you'll also get some the solution hint, and the task wise it is divided into a task, right? So here, this is completely the similar MATLAB, which you can see into the browser also, or in your MATLAB offline, the desktop software also, right? So the after completing this courses, you will get the certificates like this. Okay, so you can share these certificate courses with your social media handles. So teaching with MATLAB courseware. For example, faculties are want to use this, for example, he wants to use the mathematical using MATLAB, right? So what he can do, he can teach MATLAB, or with this resource, free resources available under this campus wide license. And you can take these advantages from this thing, and you can teach these resources to students, right? So this is complete solution available for faculty also with this MATLAB courseware. Okay, this is simply the documentation or sources, or the books available here in this MATLAB courseware. So this is the free sets of course materials. It is developed by the faculty from the top universities. Okay, so you will available for the some all STEM disciplines and some engineering colleges, right? So this is some small idea that you can see here. This is the MATLAB courseware. If I want to teach the biology with MATLAB, then you will get some this course curriculum. Okay, some also with some textbooks all available there. So the complete solution available. Okay, also that if someone wants to work with the calculus, okay, with MATLAB, so complete solution is there. So with references, books, and the descriptions also, there are some examples also there, so you can teach with your students. Same thing for risk management or financial kinds of the application. So what is MATLAB grader? Okay, so MATLAB grader is completely things that you can faculty can generate assignments for the online assignments, and you can integrate with your learning management system. You can give a task or assignment to students, so they can complete it as a as their part, or the part of their projects. Okay, after that automatically MATLAB will assess for it. Okay, if a student is completed a particular assignment, and MATLAB will assess for it, and will give you complete the environment that what is the marks that a particular student has received, right? So this is the the MATLAB grader is used for. Okay, so installation and licensed with campus wide license, right? So there are different other licenses which are associated with campus-wide license, but from this I have just selected this three licenses which can be useful for student, faculty, and staff of particular university. If I talk about this MATLAB designated computer, so this license, whoever that wants to install this MATLAB license, using with his host ID, not with this particular username, with host ID, so that particular particular system can MATLAB can access. Okay, not using the username, using host ID. If I talk about the concurrent license, so these are completely a solution available for the institute lab system. If you want to just install MATLAB on your lab systems, so using the server and client server and client type, so you can install, you can create one server there, and you can install client on different systems, whatever the how many systems are there, so you can install it on MATLAB on client systems, right? So this is very important now. MATLAB individual. So this thing can be useful for the faculty, staff, and student. Okay. For example, that using your university domain, university email ID, using the domain ID, so he can create his MathWorks account, and he can associate automatically associate his the license. So the MATLAB portal of your institute can associate you a license based MATLAB software. Okay. Some other resources with campus wide license. So if you just logged in with your account, that you will see, and if you click on this icon here, so you will get this window, right here. There's completely recorded webinars are there. So for example, if I click on these videos, then I'll get this window. I want to work with like a data science, then I can search here data science. So whatever the related with the data science the recorded webinar, it will give a complete list for you, right? Now, if I just go with the MATLAB videos, the complete solution is there. For example, deep learning or image processing. So, complete the recorded webinars are there. So you can take reference from it, and you can get started with any particular toolboxes. Same for Simulink videos. Okay, so also Simulink recorded webinars are there. So you can get started with this recorded webinars. So this is the complete list of the the products which are available under this latest release R2021A. So in this this bold line that we see, this is the new toolboxes which has released with this new version R2021A. So this is the DDS block set. So this is data distribution systems block set, right? This comes with the this comes with Simulink environment, right? This is the radar toolbox. If someone want to work with the radar kinds of application, that now MATLAB has a toolbox available for the radar application things. Satellite communication. If someone want to work with the satellite communication areas or application, so this is the toolbox available for him. And this is the complete list that you can see toolbox which are available under campus wide license. So this is what from my side. So if you have any queries or any questions or any the problem that associated with this this two parts, so you can type down a chat box, or you can unmute yourself and